Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you an information on minimum shift hours settings. For that, come up to the side menu, click on settings, and under timesheet there is minimum shift hours. You can control the minimum shift hours of the members by defining the minimum shift to them to ensure the optimal resource utilization and maintain a balanced workload or for a task allocation. You can select between the 8 hours, 9 hours and 10 hours, and you can mention the minimum hours for them. Here you can see that against the specific user we have mentioned 8 hours. You can even change from 8 to 9 or 10 for that specific user from here. And if you wish to change for any of the hours from here in one go for all of the members, you can do it globally from here. So once the schedule is defined, it is going to be dependent on the minimum shift hours that you have selected from here. For example, it has to be 9 hours. So when you are making a schedule, the minimum shift that the user has to do for a day is going to be 9 hours or whichever hour that you have selected from here. So this is all about the minimum shift hour setting. Thank you.